Over 960 million registered voters and more than a million polling stations. Holding general elections in India is no mean feat. The task is carried out by the Election Commission of India, an autonomous constitutional authority responsible for conducting polls in the country. Candidates file their nominations with the ECI. India has a bicameral legislature comprising the Rajya Sabha or the upper house and the Lok Sabha or the lower house. The general elections are held every 5 years to elect members of the lower house, which has 543 seats at present. India has a multi-party system. A government is formed by either the party which gets the majority or an alliance. The general elections follow the first past the post system, in which the candidate with the most votes wins. Every citizen above the age of 18 is eligible to register as a voter. A person cannot be enrolled as a voter in more than one place. Voting is done through an electronic voting machine or EVM. EVMs are specifically designed, manufactured and used according to the ECI's rules. So how does an EVM work? Voters press a button next to the name of the candidate of their choice on the machine. A paper slip showing the serial number, name and the symbol of the candidate of their choice is generated and is visible through the transparent window of the voter verified paper audit trail or VVPAT. VVPAT ensures that the system is more transparent and accurate. An EVM can record a maximum of 2000 votes, but generally it's used to record 1500 votes or less. After the polls have been conducted, the EVMs are transported under security to strong rooms located on the premises of the counting center. The candidates or their agents are allowed to follow the vehicles carrying the EVMs. Counting of votes begins with electronically transmitted postal ballots and is supervised by the returning officer. Counting of votes captured in EVMs can start 30 minutes after the counting of postal ballots begins. A major benefit of electronic voting machine is that it has sped up the counting process in comparison to paper ballots. This has led to results being declared on the same day as the counting is held.